Hello guys, today we will discuss about another portion of the solid state chapter, that is the classification of unit cell. So basically unit cells are classified into two types. First one is the primitive or simple unit cell and another one is the centered unit cell. And centered unit cell are again classified into three types. First one is the body centered or known as BCC. Second one is the face centered or FCC, and last one is the end centered unit cell. Okay, so now see what is primitive or simple unit cell. In this type of unit cell, the constituent particles or atoms are present only at the 8 corner position of that cell. So what is the definition here? When constituent particles are present only on the corner positions of a unit cell, then this is known as the primitive or simple unit cell. Now see, this is a unit cell. Okay, in this type of unit cell, the constituent particles are present only at the 8 corners. We know that this is the 1 corner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in case of primitive unit cell, these atoms or molecules are present only at the corner positions. Okay, next one is the centered unit cell. So definition of centered unit cell is what? I'm writing here, when a unit cell contains one or more constituent particles which present at other positions along with corners. Okay, so when the constituent particles or atoms are present not only in the 8 corner positions but also at the other side of that cell, so this is known as the centered unit cell. Now see what is body centered or BCC unit cell. See, body centered or BCC unit cell. So in this type of unit cell, the constituent particles are present at the 8 corners, also at the center of that system. See, the definition is, if the constituent particle is present at the body along with corners. Okay, then this type of unit cell is known as body centered unit cell. See, this is a unit cell. This is the center of that unit and these are 8 corner atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we can join these points by some body diagonal. Okay, so this is the body centered or BCC unit cell. Now see the face centered or FCC unit cell. In this type of unit cell, the constituent particles are present at the center of the 6 faces along with the 8 corners. So definition is, if the constituent particles are present at the 6 face centers along with corners. So this is known as the FCC unit cell. See, this is a face centered unit cell. I am drawing here. Okay. So this is one face. So this is the center of one face. This is the center of another face, third face, fourth face, front side of the face, that is the center point, and back side of the face, that is another center point. Okay, and other atoms are present at the 8 corners. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so when the constituent particles are present not only at the 8 corner position but also at the center of the 6 faces, so this type of unit cell is known as face centered unit cell. We can join these points by this face diagonal. Okay, so this is the structure of a face centered unit cell. Okay, N centered unit cell. N centered unit cell. So the definition of N centered unit cell is what? If the constituent particles are present at the centers of any two opposite faces along with corners. See, this is a unit cell. I am considering these two opposite faces. You can also consider these two opposite faces. So this is the center point and this one is the another center, and 8 corner position and the two opposite center of the faces. So this is known as the N centered unit cell.